Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab A1 filament stuck in extruder, clear jams and prevent future clogs. Fix 1. Heat the nozzle. Turn on the printer and go to control then go to temperature. Now heat the nozzle to the recommended temperature for the loaded filament, around 220 degrees Celsius for PLA or the appropriate temperature for your material. Heating softens the filament, making it easier to remove. Fix 2. Try the unload function. On the touch screen, tap filament, then tap on unload. Wait for the printer to retract the filament automatically. If the filament comes out completely, reload fresh filament and test extrusion. Fix 3. Remove the PTFE tube. Press down on the PTFE tube connector and disconnect the tube from the extruder. Check inside the tube for broken filament pieces. Remove any debris using a straight piece of filament or a thin rod. Fix 4. Push the filament through manually. Keep the nozzle heated, insert a fresh piece of filament into the extruder by hand, apply gentle pressure until melted filament starts coming out of the nozzle. This can push out broken filament trapped inside the hot end. 6. 5. Inspect and clean the extruder gears. Turn off the printer after the nozzle cools, then open the extruder according to the maintenance instructions. Remove any filament dust or pieces wrapped around the drive gears, and make sure the gears rotate freely before reassembling. 6. Check for a nozzle clog. If filament still will not pass through, the nozzle may be clogged. Use the supplied unclogging pin while the nozzle is hot or perform a cold pull procedure if appropriate for the filament. Retry loading the filament after clearing the blockage. 6. 7. Reload the filament. Cut the filament end at a 45-degree angle, insert it into the PTFE tube, then use filament go to load on the touchscreen and verify that filament extrudes smoothly from the nozzle. Fix 8. Contact Bambu Lab support. If the filament remains stuck after cleaning the extruder and nozzle or the extruder gears appear damaged, contact Bambu Lab support for further troubleshooting or replacement parts. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.